So hi guys, today we'll see the new concept of Java, that is super keyword. So what is the use of super keyword? And we already have a final keywords and static keyword, so like that to have a super keyword. So what is the use of that? We'll see first we'll comment it some lines so we'll understand. Super is a keyword use it to what? Use it to refer immediate parent class instance, you can say instance in the sense instance variable or instant variable or parent class method. So I'll comment it down. Class instance variable. So first one is, can say instance variable. So next one is or parent class method or parent class constructor. So these are the main advantages of what our superclass. First one, so immediate instance you want to, so instance in the sense what? Objects. So you want to use objects that are present in your superclass. Superclass is in the main class. So that time you are going to use your super as a keyword. If you use a super as a keyword, and you can access the current object, you can say that is instance of a class. So next one, you can use a instance variable or any methods that are present in your parent class. If you use a super with that current method in a current class, so any class you can access that method also. And one more is what? Constructor. So if you use a super with some constructor, that is you can give a exact, if you have a two methods with the same name, so you have a your parent class also have a same method, and your child class also have a same method, but I want to access the data from my super class. Just use a super keyword with your method or your variable or your constructor, so you will exactly you are going to get the data from your super class. So that is your main class. So we'll see the program, we'll see the example of that. This is about a super is a keyword used to refer an immediate parent class. Instance variable, you can access a class methods, or you can access a constructor. So this is about a super class. So you can take a example here. So we'll comment the line here. So I can use a multi-line comment. Yes. So you can give a comment as a what? Demonstration of super keyword. You can say super keyword. So now we'll start with the program, how to use that. We'll see the example. So if I use the same variable, both the classes like super parent class and child class have a same variable, but I am displaying the child class data also. I want to display super class data also in a child class. So how it is possible? So using what your super keyword. So we start with the class public class, and class name I am giving, will take class name as animal. So this is one class I have created. So one more class I want. Public, I am taking one more class, that is dog. It going to take a data from what? Your super class. So just extends, that is the concept of what? Inheritance. So you're accessing the data, you have a accessibility of your super class. You can get the variables, methods, so anything you can get from your super class. For that you are using the extends as a keyword. So this is a concept of inheritance. So next one, what your one more class I am going to create for a main method, public. We'll directly use a class So you give super demo. So I have created one more class and it contain a main method. So if it is contain a main method, then you have to give a file name as same, public static void bin. So it contain array of type what, string. So then I have created a main method also. So now my file name should be what, my file name should be what, same as my class name which contains the main method. Now we will save the file. So I will save in a desktop and I have created one folder here. So in this I am giving. So what is the extension of Java? That is .java. So I am saving with the .java. So this is about what? Just I have created a one super class. So this is my super class. Because it is not extending from any other classes. So this is my super class and this is my child class. Yes, this is a class which contain main method. So this is my file name also because it contain a main method here. So now what I am giving, I am taking a one variable with the same name. So string variable I am taking, string color. So color I am mentioning here. So what color I want here? I want a white as a color. And just closing this one. Now extends. So next same variable I am taking, that is string. So better will assign it color equals to in double quotes. So here I will give a black color. Done. So now, so in child class only I will print the data here. Like I want to display the data system.out.println. So I want to display so my child class data. So what will happen, we'll see. So I am going to display color and this. So it's going to print, will execute and see what it's going to print. So now I need to create an object of this class because I need to access the data, in the sense I need to create an object of this. So create an object dot equal to, so using new keyword I am creating an object. Done. So now we can call that method. So this should be written in a one method, right? Sorry. So this should be happened in a one method. We'll take a one method void print color. So this is a method I am taking. In this I am printing. So this is a variable. Yes. So done. So now I am calling that method here d dot. So what is the method name? I am just taking this method. Yes. So when I click here, so when I come to first, we'll start with the main method. So class super memo. When I create an object, so it going to be initialized with the constructor. So now if you call a d.print color, so it will go to this method. So it is extending animal class. So any variable you want from this class, you are going to execute here. So I am just taking color is already declared here. So it is what, white color. Now I have changed to black color here. So now I am printing a what color here. So what it going to give output, will check. I have not yet used any super class here. Super keyword here. So now we'll check the output, what will happen. So use command prompt. Yes. So here I will get the path. So I need to change the directory. Super demo. Right click, go to properties. So get a directory here where my programs are stored. Just change the directory. Just paste the directory now. Now it is changed. So before it is till start, now it is from desktop to Vidya. So it is indicating my folder now. So now how you are going to compile Java C. What is my program name? So this is my file name and same as the class name. So give a class name, paste dot Java. So it's showing some error here. So I have missed a class here. Now I will compile again. Is done. So now we'll run with the Java, will compile, run. So file name. So file name should be what? So now color equal to, I'm just printing the color. So I'm giving it a double quotes. The value should be displayed without it, or else it will be considered as a string. So now save the file. Just compile, successfully compiled. Now run. So color is what now showing in a black color. So black color is declared in a child class. Now I want data from what? My super class. So I want to access the variable of my super class. So how to do that? Just use a super keyword. Same thing. System dot out dot println super dot color. Compile, run. So now I am getting a white color here. So what is the difference is, only if you display a color, it going to be give a your child class data. But when you use a super class, it going to be give a what? Give a super class data, super class variable, that is you are mentioned here. So where? So instance variable. So you are going to get a data if you use a keyword. So if you use your super for your method, it's going to give a method data from your super class, not from your child classes. So that's the use of your super keyword. So and we have executed. So what is the difference? So first, if you use only color, it's going to give a child class data. But when you use a super as a keyword with your variable, class variable, so that time you are going to get a data from your super class, immediate super class data you are going to get. So you can apply for a methods also, variables also, and objects also. So this is how your super keyword going to work. And thank you. So next video we'll see in another concepts. Until then, practice this.